Hi there, my name is Jared Levin, and this is my video on photosynthesis and cellular respiration connection. To begin, when it comes to photosynthesis and cellular respiration, they aren't exactly the same, but they're not very different. Um, Photosynthesis converts carbon dioxide and water into oxygen. Glucose is used as food by the plant, and oxygen is a byproduct. Cellular respiration converts oxygen and glucose into water and carbon dioxide. Water and carbon dioxide are byproducts, and ATP is energy that is transformed from this process. Now for which is anabolic and which is catabolic. Photosynthesis, which builds sugars out of the smaller molecules, is a building up or anabolic pathway. In contrast to that, cellular respiration breaks sugar down into smaller molecules and is breaking down or catabolic pathway. Now, next question. How photosynthesis and cellular respiration relate to each other? The relationship between photosynthesis and cellular respiration is such that the products of one of the systems are the reactants to the other. Photosynthesis involves the use of energy from sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide to produce the glucose and the oxygen. Now, cellular respiration uses glucose and oxygen to produce carbon dioxide and water. To emphasize this point even more, the equation for photosynthesis is the opposite of cellular respiration. Now, for the big question, can photosynthesis and cellular respiration occur with or without the other? And to answer this simply, no. Photosynthesis and cellular respiration are both part of a mutually beneficial relationship. So one can't occur without the other. Cellular respiration cannot occur without photosynthesis, and photosynthesis certainly cannot occur without the help of its partner. Thank you, and this was my video on photosynthesis and the connection it has with cellular respiration. Thank you.